Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I'm going to teach how to download and install the XAMPP in your machine. First go to the Google and type XAMPP, press enter key. Click on this first link. So here you have to select the corresponding operating system, which operating system you have. If you go Linux, you go click on this button. If you go Mac OS, you click on this button. So I'm going along with the Windows. So I click on this button. So now here the few minutes the download has been started. So here your download is start automatically. If does not, it click here. Okay, so it will be started here. Your download has been started. Here it takes 150 MB. So you have to wait until the XAMPP download has been completed. The XAMPP download has been completed successfully. You can see here. You go over here. This is the your XAMPP. After downloaded, you can see here. Right, this is the current version. So you are double click on this. Click yes. Now you open up your right. So you click OK. Click next. Next. Here default select as a C drive as a path. You have to select as it is. Okay. You don't change the path. This is the default path. You have to keep as it is. Click next. Select the language as English. Next. Next. You have to wait until the installation completed. Now you can see the installation has been completed successfully. Click finish. Right now here if you are click finish here, your XAMPP control panel, the dialog box has been opened successfully. Now here you can see here Apache and MySQL. So you have to run both. So if you have go for the uh, Laravel and PHP, so you have to start with the Apache server. This is the server you have to run it. This is the MySQL. This is the database you have to run it. So it's both are click yellow. It's both are connected successfully. You can see here. Right now you can see if you click on this admin, you will be able to access the MySQL dashboard. Here where you can select, click, create the database and everything. This is how we have installed the XAMPP server efficient way. Thank you for watching. Right. Okay, so if you want to stop it, click stop button. So you can, it's always it's under your taskbar. Click on this here, click it to open, you double click it stop. Here it will hide. Okay, so you have to get it again back, click on double click. If you double click over here, it will be hidden. Right. Thank you for watching.